Well, good morning everyone. We all love a box opening, and today I've got a box from Mr. and Mrs. Sticky at Icky Sticky. There we go. Adhering to quality, and I'll tell you what, the quality they adhere to is top quality. So, this was sent from New South Wales. Hasn't got a date, but I ordered last week, so it's a pretty good turnaround. Just open the box. I can't even remember what I ordered. I do know I remembered I ordered some more, obviously some more glue. Oh wow. To start with, I get an Icky Sticky stubby holder. Monique knows me well. I got 2 Icky Sticky coasters, which are good because I do actually collect coasters, which is quite a weird thing to collect. But I love getting my little presents from Icky Sticky. Thanks, Monique. So, what did I get? I got myself the beginner's pack again, which has your CA accelerator and debonder. So those 2 little good guys there. I've still got a fair bit of the debonder left on the old one, and the accelerator's gone. What else do I get? Obviously my thin, medium and thick CA. Seriously, if you haven't tried it yet, give it a go. This stuff is the best. Like like I've said about Jason stuff, like the Outlaw paints, if I didn't like it, I'd say it was shit. But this is good stuff. I love it. I bought a new knife set with 30 blades. So that's a good one. Alright, so let's have a look at these knives, shall we? Nice weight, very nice weight. It's actually about the same size. It's a little bit thinner or thicker than the old one, which is good for me now I'm getting old. Nice plastic rubber grip, razor sharp bloody tips. So yeah, very nice blades. I'm looking forward to actually using these. And I do have 2 of them now, and I have a little holder for them, which is good, and I have 3 boxes of the spare blades, so you can see the spare blades there. So there we go. So now I won't be able to lose it. Now for things I didn't purchase. So Monique, being Monique, she likes looking after people, just like Jason. So she sent me a dual-ended wax pickup pen. So this is going to be awesome for PE. Yeah, we'll see that. So there you go. 2 ends to it. Ow. So a nice little pickup pen, which is going to be good for my, like I said, good for my PA. And it says, designed to handle parts that are too small to be picked up with tweezers. Peter, you should get one of these for when you need a bit of self-pleasure. It's got a self-adhesive wax tip, which is replaceable, and the stainless steel tip to adjust pieces or pierce tip in some clay wax to use as a pickup tool. That'd be actually very handy to use the stainless steel tip and a lot of the PE stuff that I've been putting on the tank, or the ASLAB I should say. Put that down there. What have we got here? Actually, I bought some of these, I think. Got some micro tip applicators. Oh yeah, I bought these, I think. Oh, I can't remember what I bought. So you got the 2mm micro tip applicators, which is ideal for touch-ups, cleaning airbrushes or airbrushes, weathering, detail and special effects, non-linting, non-absorbent 100 packs. So there's 100 in there, the 2mm ones. The same with the 1.2mm ones. Same with the 1.2. Oh, these are 1.2mm long and 1.2mm normal, and 2.5mm as well. And also got some flexi tip extenders, which are good for your glues. I also got, this is very good, thank you Monique, the 31-piece tungsten micro drill bit set. Drill sizes range from 0.1mm to 3mm with a pin vise handle. So these are those. Luckily there's a lot of instruction videos on how to open these. So these, sorry I can't read properly. These long-lasting drill bits are made from high-quality tungsten, or high-quality tungsten steel for precise, easy use on a variety of materials such as plastic, resin, wood, soft metals, and much more. Drill bits are extremely thin and sharp. Avoid contact with bare hands to prevent injury, not by use by children under the age of 14. Alright, so we've got 3 different containers, very colourful. So obviously these are going up to the 3mm ones. And these are the 0.1mm. They're very small, and they're in between those ones. And apparently to open, hold firmly and twist. You can see I've got a bit of a, still got a wrist injury. So I'll go back to the doctor for that. There we go. And there they are. So yep, awesome. Thank you for Monique for that. Really appreciate that. And there's the pin vise. Nice small one actually. Better than my other one. Which I was going to get a new one of anyway. But now I've got this one, so thank you Monique. There's just a twist at the top. You can see it pulls out a little bit there. It allows access for the bigger ones. So it spreads open. So I'll put these down here. This is quite a good little pickup today. And last but not least, something I was going to buy very shortly, but I don't have to now, thank you Monique. The tape dispenser set. So this has 1mm, 2mm, 3mm, 6mm, 10, 18 and 40mm tape, which is included. So let's just have a look at this one. So there we go. All your tapes. They're really small, like really, really thin. It's really, really thick. Now this is going to be unreal. I've got to find now. Bill made a place for this on my messy workbench. So there we go. That's my little little treasure from the lovely Mr. and Mrs. Icky. I mean Mr. and Mrs. Sticky. So thank you Monique. Really, really appreciate everything you do for the Australian modelling community. looking after us crazy blokes at Aussie Models Live. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using all this. Yeah, so if you haven't, please go to www.ickysticky.com.au, and the value for money is better than a $2 pint. There you go. Which, if I had a pint now, I could use one of my Icky Sticky coasters. I could even put it in my Icky Sticky stubby holder. And believe me, these are better than lollies. So anyway, again, go and check out www.ickysticky.com.au. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, just subscribe, watch my videos. I'm starting to get a few more views on the ASLab now, which is good. I put a video up last night, it's up to 40-something views. Not like Peter, who put a video out this morning that's up to nearly 500, but that's okay. So yeah, anyway, I now have to go get my car serviced, my old car, not my new car, and I'll come home and I'll make a bit more of a move on the ASLab. So I'll talk to you all soon. You.